how to use add your sticker on Instagram stories. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use add your sticker on Instagram stories. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that I will be motivated and bring up more informative videos. So guys, what you need to do here, first of all, make sure that you update your Instagram from App Store or Google Play Store, and let me just open my official Instagram account. Now here, let me just click on the profile icon and click on the plus icon on the top right corner and click on story option. So I have just click a random picture here, and then what you need to do here, click on the sticker icon on the top, simply tap here, and you can see here add yours. Simply tap here and you have to write a day. Well, you can write anything whatever you like and just click on send option, and this is how you can use it your day sticker on Instagram. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys, see you soon on the next video.